and a snack. Or like a rubber band too.
Baba, can I borrow yours someday?
A baseball card. What?
Can I borrow yours? Play-Doh someday, that?
Sure.
Want me to open it for you?
This looks like more baseball cards, I'm pretty sure. I might be able to snap these through here because they're rectangle.
I can't wait to
Cool.
take the real Kinder Egg time.
And
The
then,
7 Kinder Egg.
if you wanted it. And then, yep, they're baseball cards. And then 36 cards in this one. I bet 7 in this one. Nope, 9 cards.
Cool.
Thank you for that. And then I have a globe. Whoa, it's a soft globe too. Can you feel? What is it? Soft one. Soft, squishy ones, yeah. Whatever, I'll open that later. Then I got a Minecraft
Season 4.
Oh, it's a keychain thing. It's a your keychain thing.
And what season is it? I know it's season 4.
Obsidian Series 4.
Maybe I should let it off. Follow me now. Outside.
I got a zombie in a door.
Cool.
Jack, that makes sense. This is Series 1. It's in a cool case.
You got another Easter present. I got another Easter present.
Let Jackson finish.
Let's see, I could get a Spider Jockey, Alex and Enderman. Cool. With a Baby Rider or Enderman fight. What is no, Ender Dragon fight.
It's a zombie in a door, he said.
Now I got Alex and Enderman.
Cool.
Looks like
Uh-oh.
But I'll do that. I'll build that later, and I will. My turn for this. And I have a chocolate and toy surprise and Choco treasure.
Choco treasure.
You want me to take a bite and see what's inside?
No, just taste the chocolate. It tastes so good. Kinder Egg
Let me see your egg.
makes so good of chocolate.
Oh, that's cool. A soccer ball.
Kinder Egg makes so good of chocolate.
Cool.
And they're from California. They taste so good.
Dylan. Alright, your turn. I'm kidding. Whoa, there was something in there.
Finders keepers.
6 flips.
6 lips?
Alright. Okay, whoa. Nothing soda. Ultra premium amazing bubbles.
It looks like double coat.
Yep. You're green. Small. Another thing of 6 flips. More 6 flips.
A lot of 6 lips.
And lip pops. Oh, I remember these. Okay, yeah. I like that baby. And another thing of that. And another one.
What do you guys say?
And
Thank
you! More 6 flips.
Say thank you.